Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion 2073, that is time need to buy tickets. And in this question we'll be having n people in a line queuing to buy tickets, and where 0th person in the front of the queue and n minus 1th person is at the back of the line. Okay, and we'll be given a 0 integer array tickets of the length n, where number of tickets that the higher person would like to buy is tickets I, and each person will take exactly 1 second to buy a ticket, and a person can buy only one ticket at a time and has to go to the back of the end, which will happen instantaneously. Okay, and in order to buy more tickets, if a person does not have any tickets left to buy, oh, okay. In order to buy more tickets, that is the line previously linked to the previous line. That is, at one instance of time, a person can buy only one ticket. After that, he has to go to the end of the line. And if a person does not have any tickets left to buy, the person will leave the line. Okay, and we have to return the time taken for the person at the kth index to finish buying tickets. For example, we are having 232. So the person present at the second index, we need to return its time, that how much time he will take to buy the tickets. Okay, at the first instance, let's say this person will be buying one ticket, then this he'll go to the last of the line, then this array will be something like, I'll just so after the first iteration, so this array will be like 3, 2 and then 1, and after the second iteration the person will go back again, that is, we'll be having 2, 1 and then again 2, because this person will go up at the end after buying this one ticket. Then third person, we'll be having again, uh, the array will now 1, 2 and then again a 2. Okay, so after the fourth iteration we'll be having like, this person is has now just one ticket left, so after buying he'll be having no more tickets left to buy, so we'll be having just 2 and 2. uh, okay, and in the fifth iteration we'll be having 2 and then 1, because this person will come forward, and then similarly if we'll go on forward, we'll be having at the sixth iteration the person's ticket buying tickets will be completed. Okay, and now what will we have to do is, let's form a queue of integer, that is persons, that is equal to a new linked list, and we'll be updating this queue, that is that for int I equal to 0, I less than tickets dot length I plus plus, in the persons dot add we'll be adding the I, okay, the ith person. Then what we'll be doing is that, let's have a variable time that is initially equal to 0, and then while not persons dot is empty, what we'll be doing is that, we'll be first increasing the time plus plus, and then we'll be checking the front of the person, that will be equal to persons dot poll, and in the tickets array we'll be subtracting 1 from the particular person's number of tickets front minus equal to 1, and then we'll be checking that if my k is equal to the frontmost person and the tickets front is equal to 0, that means the person has buy all the tickets. So in that case I'll have to break. Okay, and otherwise the case is if k is not equal to front, and let's say still the tickets are 0 and tickets of front is equal to 0. In this case I have to continue because I don't want to add the particular person into the queue again, or else the case is that I have to add the person into the queue, person dot add the frontmost person. Okay, and at the end I'll just return time. Okay, now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.